Welcome to my channel. This is Amber Gal. Today we're going to be doing a beauty tutorial. So today we're going to be working on my new human hair Remy extensions, and basically you're going to see what I have done to them. I have toned them, but they haven't really toned the way I wanted them to. They are taking on a very violet type of a color, and I'm going to be trying to get them to match my current hair color. So if you guys want to see this video, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. So these are the extensions. Now, I know they're looking a little bit crazy here. That's mostly because they were this like crazy yellow color, and now they're this like silver blue color. And if you just like compare my hair with the extension, this hair is super cool, and it's definitely leaning towards more of a violet blonde, and I need it to be more of a neutral beige type of a blonde. So this is what we're going to be working on today. So I'm doing this in my kitchen, so excuse the whole salsa and chips going on in the background, but I just bought this Clairol 9.5 Natural Palest Blonde by Nice and Easy. By Clairol. It's the Nice and Easy, and I am going to be mixing this together to apply to these lovely extensions. Okay, so inside of the hair color box, I get this #1 color blend formula. I get the #2 applicator bottle, that is the color blend activator, and then I get a conditioner, and I also get this information packet for directions and gloves. Once you open up the directions, it just basically shows you what type of applications and what directions go with the application. So I'm going to be leaving this color on the full 25 recommended minutes for the all over hair coloring, and I'm going to be applying it to these extensions. But first I'm going to be mixing this #1 bottle into this #2 applicator bottle. So I'm just going to be shaking this pretty vigorously just to mix this in, and then it has this little tab right here. You just want to flick it off. So this is what they look like right now, and I'm not gonna lie, they look really crazy. Hopefully the end result is much better. I put my timer on. There's 23 minutes and 43 seconds left. Hopefully this works out. Okay guys, so this is the result that I've gotten. I hung them up here on my towel rack to dry, but I did blow dry this one extension, and it is like literally the perfect color. I am so excited. So much better than the nasty yellow color the extensions were when I got them. And these are the ones that are still wet. They still have kind of like a lilac tone to them. They still kind of have like a lilac tone to them, but I think once they're dry they might end up more like this extension. If not, the slight purple tone isn't really going to be like the worst case scenario. So I will definitely try to post what the extensions look like sometime in the near future in my hair. As you can see, my hair is like super short, and it is growing. Like literally it was totally shaved on the sides. So even though it's super short, it is growing. It will get there. And I'm pretty excited about how they turned out. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.